Hi everybody, welcome back to See Elise Clean. I'm really excited for this video. I'm gonna clean out my fridge and really clean it. Hi kitty. I'm gonna take everything out, get rid of all my expired food and throw everything away, and then I'm gonna clean all the shelves, and I have some bins in there and storage boxes, but I got some more, so I'm gonna put those in. Then my groceries are coming today, and that's why I'm doing this today. My fridge is almost empty. So when my groceries come, I'm going to show you how I treat my food, how I rinse everything, how I package it all, and how I put it in my fridge. And I hope a lot of the tips that I show you will help you keep your food fresher longer. I also have a Bloody Mary. This is not required to clean out your fridge, but I recommend it. It will make it a little bit more fun. Welcome to my fridge. I'm sure you can see the grime already. This is something I discovered the other day, so I'm super motivated to clean it. It's really gross. Like, what is that? What spilled? How did I not see it? It's this little flap that closes the door, so I didn't notice it. Ooh. Look at the butter door. It's like, oh, buttery. Crumbs, grime, and maple syrup. So I am excited to get in here and clean this. It needs it. Oh my goodness. Here's some shelves. A little bit grimy. I do have some eggs, but most everything else has gotten eaten up, which is great. In here I keep fruit, vegetables, cheese, and meat. So let's start playing around and cleaning.
You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there.
So now these are my cleaned out bottles, and I'm gonna recycle them. Everything is out. Now I just need to clean it all. that so far. I just put some bins in and just kind of started playing, but when my groceries come, I'm gonna show you how I store everything and where they're gonna go. And I'll show you what my fridge looks like when it's full. For fresh berries, I rinse them all in a mixture of 1 part distilled white vinegar and 10 parts water, cool water. I give them a quick toss in the vinegar and water mixture. It's diluted enough that you will not taste the vinegar. Then I rinse it with cool water, and then I set it on a towel to dry. I do the same thing with blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Rinsing them with vinegar and water keeps them from going bad as quickly. I treat asparagus like fresh flowers. A quick rinse. I leave the bottom rubber band on so that I can cut off the bottom 2 inches and then throw it in the compost without making a huge mess. And then I put them in a little vase of water. I got that from the Dollar Tree. And this helps keep them crisp and green for much longer and they don't get slimy. I use the same vase technique for my fresh herbs like basil, parsley, or cilantro. For lettuce, I rinse it and then I put it in my salad spinner, half a head at a time. I spin it as fast as I can to get as much moisture as possible out of the lettuce. Moisture equals produce rot. I store my lettuce and my berries in these produce saving Tupperwares. I got them from Walmart. As you can see, I was able to move my shelves to get my milk to be inside the fridge. My veggie drawer is nice and organized with bins. I can see everything, so hopefully nothing will go rotten without me noticing. This is my meat drawer and then cheese, and I think this fridge turned out beautiful. Hey, I'm all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video and it motivated you to organize your fridge. I will link some things that I use down below so that you can purchase them if you want to organize your fridge too. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.